Compact. What's this right here?
That's a drone. Hey, am I recording?
Compact, lightweight. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, arming. Man, his cable is so hard.
Quality. Do something cool, dude.
Where's he going?
You don't need stabilization.
He's going over to those storm damaged trees. To your right. Pilot's right.
He's by the storm trees.
The storm damaged trees. Yeah, pilot's 5 o'clock.
Into the fence.
Yeah, that would be sick.
Where's he at?
He's right behind you. 30 feet in closing. Just in case you know. Good spot. This guy.
Yeah, I know. Who else?
In the hole. In the hole.
Oh, dude, the pole.
Oh, hey. So that curved bush, ride the curved bush into a wall ride on the building. It looks really good.
Curved bush.
The one that had the flagpoles in it. Like head away from that bike rack, and then hit the curve of that bush, and then into a big wall ride. Bike rack towards the building, towards the flagpoles, head, and then no, other way. Right at the curve of the head into the wall ride.
That was cool too.
Yeah, well, you guys are
Wait, what? Like this?
curve it towards the wall. Boom.
Left.
No, left.
Left.
Left, not
Jesus
right.
Christ, Shane.
Follow the curve.
Your other left.
Like let it hook you into the wall ride. Yeah, so curve left. Boom, big wall. And then if you're big ballsy, you can go under that awning.
Yeah,
Just don't not into the window. Because only the left side of it would be the actual awning. Look at the awning. Yeah, you see what I'm saying? So big wall ride down under the awning would be sick.
Oh.
I love that.
Yeah, that's fun.
In the hole. In the hole.
Got a low battery.
Yeah, doesn't matter. I can.
It's got a low battery cruises.
Because. That would be a good one to change your logo to cruise time. Cruise time.
Jesus, Shane.
A little aggressive.
Save some ratings for the rest of us.
Man, I love the ball mount in the back. I gotta figure out some other places to put it on. Oh, I thought you meant something else. Jay's never gonna hang out with us.
I know, he's like, man, they said 100,
All he did was talk about penis.
178 dick jokes.